Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and the shop. Today we are going to do some more work on the car, which is good because it's overdue. So today is going to be an easy one. We're going to put on a StrutTower brace, and if nobody knows, or people don't know what a StrutTower brace, its function is to keep the strut towers from flexing under hard brake or under hard cornering. It stiffens it up a little bit. This is not the most stiff StrutTower brace. I bought it off eBay. I can leave the link down below. Last week I changed the battery. Link up there if you want to check that out. And there's more coming. I have an intake coming. I'm looking into a bigger intercooler with the piping, bigger turbo, bigger exhaust. It's gonna start moving a little bit once I pick what I want. So I'm gonna do the easy ones first, just to give it a little bit more. Oh, that's what I lost. Okay. So now I gotta find a nut. A nut and lock washer fell out. So I will show you step by step how to do it. It is extremely easy. And yeah, so if anyone doesn't know, the StrutTower brace has 3 nuts on either side. Easiest way to do it is to keep the vehicle on the ground, full weight, undo the nuts, put the StrutTower brace, put the nuts on, torque them down to 47 foot-pounds. That's it. And then tighten these on the end. So I'll go through it, but I'm hoping everyone's okay. I hope you enjoy. Smash that like, give me a subscribe, keep this moving. Got a little bit of positive feedback on the last video. Keep it coming, I like it. And let's get started. So here we go. All right, so first thing is, I already ran into a problem. And it's not a major problem, it's minor, but something to look at. So there's a nameplate on this, and if you want the nameplate to face towards you, like who's gonna read it facing that way, really? It was kind of funny because this is the way they wanted you to install it. Nameplate facing forward, put it on, like so. You would never be able to close your hood because your strut would hit the brace. So, do yourself a favor, flip it to the back of the strut for the hood. Put it in position, like so. Undo the bolt, flip the bar around. It's a simple thing. It's a very simple thing. So we're gonna get going. All right, now that this bar has been flipped around, it actually looks better the way I like it. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need, you're gonna have to take this off. And the only socket you're gonna need is a 14 mil. 14 mil, and do all your bolts, or your nuts. Now we put the bar on. All the bolts are off. Now we put the bar. And I would keep these bolts loose until you get it down and torqued, and then you can tighten these up, and then we're good. Nice. Put your nuts in. Like I said, I would do this on full weight. I would not jack the car up for this. Because really, where's the car gonna go? And I dropped the nut. Alright, so after fumbling around, trying to find that stupid nut, I found it. It's on. So all the nuts are on. They're snug. So now you take your torque wrench, you put it to 47 pounds, and alright, 14 mil on your torque wrench. Now the only thing you have left is to tighten these two bolts over there, one on either side. So you're going to need a metric Allen key, an 8 mil with your 14 mil wrench, and you just tighten it up. I would tighten it up snug. Shouldn't need much more than that. Get her snug and give her like another quarter to half turn. And that's it. She's on. She'll help you through corners. So let's go back over on the bench. So that's pretty much it. Not much to it. All you're doing is just putting something on something that's already there. You're not replacing, you're just adding. So it'll help with stability through corners. It'll keep it a little bit more rigid. And that's the goal, right? And it looks good. So nice little shiny piece in that car that's very dirty right now. Next thing will be a very good bath and a good detailing. That's in the works. The intake's coming. I have other stuff that I'm planning to do. There are more stuff. Eventually, I do want to put a bigger turbo on this. My goal is like 4 to 430-ish horse. So we'll see. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It's not a big video. It's just a quick little tutorial on how to do it. It was nothing. Anyone can do it. Couple tools and off you go. So subscribe, give me a like, and hope everyone's good, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.